record, share screen audio. Let's see if that works. Okay, can y'all see my screen?
Yes, sir.
All right, good. All right, so let's take a look at our end of the quarter schedule. We're going to try to make a week from today our final regular period. Period 2 is just if you need to come to, finish up, then you come that day. Otherwise, I won't be taking roll on Wednesday. Normally, that would give you a little extra time to head out. But since we're online, you can do this from anywhere, but still it'll give you a chance to focus on other finals week stuff without having to worry about this. So we are officially over the hump as far as the work. We do have something coming from the English department. I haven't gotten it yet. I think it's an accreditation thing, or we have to assess the class, but I have no idea what we'll be doing. So I'll let you know when I know. Otherwise, it's just finishing up the group projects. So let me show you what to do. Did we go over this last week? It doesn't hurt to do it twice. Oh, here comes somebody. Yeah, that should be all right. We have a little extra time when we turned it in to allow for the vagaries of life, especially during COVID. A lot of stuff going on. Okay, group project. Now, this is a really long list, most of which you don't do, but starting with number 25, this is something all groups need to do. First, you need to sign your name at the bottom, and notice that we are Bowden, Fangi, Fincher. We're alphabetizing by last name, but putting first name first. And that's toward the bottom. You'll see there are other groups there. If you're the second or more group, instead of text prepared by, just put fall quarter 2020 there so we know which group you are. Most of these documents have more than one group. Now, 26, if your group has pretty much completely finished the document so that it's ready for me to review and put on the website, let me know. I'll put in one part of Dropbox. If not, then you need to do these other two things as well. And I'll put in another part of Dropbox because we'll be passing the baton along to the groups from next quarter, the winter quarter, and you want to leave them good notes. So this is up at the top, right under header, notes to the next group. Here's the code you need, but start the proofreading. It's stopped here. And then, if that's what you're doing, that's the most common thing. Page 245 in the PDF. And so give them kind of a trail of breadcrumbs over where to pick up. And if they need to change curly quotes straight to curly quotes, whatever they need to do, you put in this list. So this is a possible list. It's not the list for every group. So just let them know what remains to be done in this project, where they need to pick up. Number 28, go if you're proofreading and you're partly way through it, go to that spot and put in H1 stopped here. That's a big heading, so it's really obvious. Another way of helping them to navigate what you've done. All right, so any questions? And until then, you can just keep working. But if you have this done next Monday, the check-in process goes really fast. If you don't have it done, I'll come to your group and say, where are your names? Where's the list? Where's the stopped here? And then I'll go into the next group and you'll have to, holler at me when you get it done. So if you can get this done over the weekend, then the check-in will be very fast and you'll be out of here. All right. So any questions?
My group finished we did all of the books, so we wouldn't need to do that stop tier, all that stuff for the
Right, you
next
would
people
only
to
need
edit it,
to
right?
do 25. Put all your names in there, and let me know that it's finished all the way, so I can put in the. I've got a completed folder that I look over it one final time and then put it on the website.
And there isn't a place on Moodle to turn it in or anything. We
No,
just tell you that it's done.
yeah, right. We just walked through it. It's actually already in my folder. I have the most recent version. As long as everything's working right, I have the most recent. It's already turned in a sense, but I check it in. So that means I look at it and then I check your names off as having finished. So it's more a matter of us just getting together and finalizing that you were done. Anything else? Okay, I'm going to stop sharing and stop recording and put you